Here we are, fixing to install a Reese brake control in a 2012 Chevy Silverado. This will tell you what the wires go to. I fished them out behind this brake pad right here, or the brake pedal, I'm sorry, and they were just stuffed up under there, I guess from the factory. Let's go ahead and add these ends. As you can see, I've already stripped those back so I can add these butt connectors. That one's a little too fat. Screw it on there. It'll work its way on there good. All right, now to the truck. We want to strip the ends off of these. I have disconnected the battery, by the way, just in case I accidentally cross some wires. You don't want to fry anything in the electronics. All right, we're going to connect the white to the white. The blue to the blue. The red from the truck going to the black to the back of the controller. And then your blue and white we'll connect it to the red. You can see what I'm doing right here. I don't know if you can tell, but I am making a little hook in this and bending it over so it'll make a good contact inside that butt connector. Since that butt connector is a tad bit bigger than it is. Don't want it slipping out. And there you go. It's that easy. You're going to want to mount this under here. And I have to do that at a different time because my drill ran out of battery. This is not used for our application. I would probably keep this in a safe place just for further reference. I don't know why you would want to keep it, but just in case. We'll mount it right here, tuck that up underneath, zip tie it, make it look all clean, and we'll have trailer brakes.
I realized after hooking everything up, I didn't have any power to my brake controller. So here is what I found underneath the hood. This wire here is to your trailer brakes. And as you can read, aftermarket trailer. It needs to be connected to this stud. And that stud takes right there takes an M8 by 1.25, and the right stud takes an M6 by 1. It's 13 millimeter to tighten this nut up. As you can see here, 30 amp and a 40 amp fuse give power to the studs below it. Hope this helps. Thanks.